Yes children, let us start with process description, that is procedure. Now children, there are two ways of giving or listing instructions or directions. The first one is in a series of imperative sentences, and the second one is in a series of sentences in the passive voice of the verbs. Now let us do with some examples here. Heat, the first example, that is in your active voice. Heat the oil in a heavy bottomed pan or a pressure cooker. Now how will be this changed into your passive voice? The oil is heated in a heavy bottomed pan or a pressure cooker. Now children, the second example, lower the heat and add the onions. So this will be changed into passive voice. The heat is lowered and the onions are added. Now third example, cook them till they become soft. This is the active voice. Now this will be changed into they are cooked till they become soft. This becomes your passive voice. Now the next example, add the rest of the ingredients except water and coriander leaves. So this will be changed into the rest of the ingredients except water and coriander leaves are added. Now the next example, toss the mixture over medium heat for a few minutes. The answer will be the mixture is tossed over medium heat for a few minutes. Then the next, pour in water and bring the mixture to a boil. The answer for this, water is poured in and the mixture is brought to a boil. Children, present form we are doing. Next, cook till the vegetables are well softened. So it will be changed into it is cooked till the vegetables are well softened. Number 8, blend the soup to a puree. The answer will be the soup is blended to a puree. And the last one, reheat till piping hot and garnish with coriander leaves. The answer will be it is reheated till piping hot and garnished with coriander leaves. So children, now this process description procedure was in your present form, and I have given you single sentence, and we have changed single sentence into active into passive voice. Now we are going to do this same set of instructions in a form of paragraph.